It is what's called Spring Song Kit. Now you're going to see beautiful lilacs around the border and inside around the chickadee squares. The chickadees are all fussy cut, so there's plenty of fabric in your kit to do the fussy cutting of the chickadees. The corner blocks are going to be in a tonal green and tonal blues. And the quilt itself is 54 by 72, and it's the whole kit is $99. We're going to see a little bit of the close-up of the fabric so you can kind of see the detail. Very, very soft, very, very cheerful. All our kits that we make, we label the fabrics for you. The kit has the pattern, the fabrics, and the binding. You can pick your own back. In Maine, one thing that you usually think of with summer in Maine is lighthouses. I mean, we have tons of them. They're fun to go around and look at. This next quilt is actually called the Quilter's Lighthouse. Now, it's a representation of a lighthouse in unbelievably vivid colors. So you have the sea, the sky, the lighthouse. One thing in particular, I love the hexy border. I couldn't imagine making those by hand, but a nice hexy border. We put the stripe as an inner border and binding. So this quilt is very cheerful, but also maybe something fun to be quilting in the middle of the winter when it's not so sunny and bright. And this is now batiks. Both of the first two projects were screen printed fabrics. This is actually batik fabric, hand dyed, hand screened batiks. So this fabric and this quilt was made from 20 fat quarters. So we have packaged up all 20 fat quarters. And if you do purchase this we will include a free pattern to do this quilt in there. Those are all the individual fat quarters that are in the pack. These are designer Robin Pickens, sorry, from Moda. She does usually vivid, bright lines. So love these panels. Very different blue here. It's not really teal. It's not really turquoise. A little bit of a hashtag in there for the color. So these two that I'm going to show you are actually panels. Now, you know, panels you can put in the middle of a quilt. You can border them. You can just back them. So a lot of things you can do. That nice. So this one, same size, 36 by 41. And it's so we put together a fat quarter group of 11 different fabrics that coordinate with these panels and with this group. Adorable, adorable little ladybug, the different sunflowers, the textures, the little stems. To me, they look like little lollipops. This is actually the tangerine green and lemon is actually thatched by Moda. It's a nice basic fabric with a little texture. Beautiful blue sunflower, and then again the lollipops in the blue background. This is a panel that now, instead of being 36 wide, 24 wide by 41 down. This is out of the Let It Snow group, but it says Home for the Holidays. So this is the coordinating fabric to Home for the Holidays. I also have, this is probably a really nice, easy quilt. Little topper. You can use it as a wall hanging or a table topper. It's going to be four-corner chickadee. I love this chickadee. Again, that soft teal, the little bit of gold in the fabric. The background also is a cream and gold together. So this is a kit we put together with the pattern fabrics order bind. So this is the four-corner chickadee kit that we have. For a sec. And this is actually what's called a 7 millimeter snap-on, which is most of your average machines right in here. You have that little bar. I'm going to snap that on that foot. If you do not have snap-on feet, you can call us. We do sell ankles that allow you to snap and make your foot available to use snap-on feet, okay? But most of the machines come with a snap-on ankle. So I'm going to take, I'm going to, whoops, turn it on. I'm going to take off my foot. So there's a little lever out there. So I'm going to take the regular F foot off. I'm going to snap this guide right on. Snapped it on. So you can still raise and lower. Your foot is clear so you can see what you're doing. And now I'm going to just sew a little bit. I'm on plain old straight stitch. So if you were to possibly get in that area, you're not going to be hitting the needle, breaking the needle, sewing the needle. So that's a wonderful new foot. I'm very happy to share that with you. I do always, I love sewing machines. I love showing people. So I would like to, you know, when every time, maybe show you a foot or two or a little technique. I have a new one for next week planned. So if you'd like to come visit us, it will be next Wednesday, 2:30, Facebook Live. Thank you so much.